Excel 6, the hardest thing is writing the formulas in a way that reinforces our work with linear models. So in this one, you're building a graph. There is a mistake here. This should be not losing weight, but this should be a balance. So I just change that and update the, it used to be a losing weight one. I decided to change it to money. So you got to make some decisions up front. What's your starting balance? Are you depositing money or are you drawing it? And how much are you doing every week? When you're writing this formula, I really recommend going with the y equals mx plus b format and then filling it in as you go. So we'll just do one together and then kind of show you how that would work. So let's say somebody make up a starting balance for my account. I'll just do a round robin here and get some information to build this. But then here's my example. Just some amount of money. It's my starting balance.
2,000.
2,000. Okay, now am I gonna, somebody else, am I gonna deposit or withdraw every week?
Withdraw.
Okay. And then how much am I gonna withdraw every week? I need a third person.
$20.
Okay. So with those three decisions, I have enough information to make a linear model. This starting balance, you can just put the number directly in. It's the next one where you're going to use the formula, and I encourage you to use autofill as you go from here. So what I would start with is y equals mx plus b, and then I would start filling in numbers. So for instance, based on the information given, what can I fill in my formula?
B will be 2,000.
Good. So I'm going to change my b to 2,000. All right. What else can I change?
The m will be minus 20.
Very nice, because I'm taking money out, so it's a decrease. All right. Now I'm basically there. If I was trying to write a model on paper, that's what it would look like. The rest of it is Excel work. I'm going to write the times between the slope and the x because Excel doesn't like implicit multiplication. Instead of writing x here, I'm going to put in A4 because that's the number that I'm using for x. That's the number in the left column. And the last thing to do is just get rid of the y. There, I have an Excel formula that's going to calculate my new balance. 1980 makes sense because I started at 2,000, I took out $20, I have 1980. Again, from there, that's really all you have to do. You don't have to keep typing this over and over again. Use autofill, go down to the bottom of the table, boom. Then the video shows you how to highlight that, make a graph. I've done that in class a couple times, but I don't expect you to remember that. So use the video to help you make a little graph for that. This is a pretty easy summary question, so don't overthink it. Well, the part at the end. If you're having trouble talking about the y-intercept or the meaning of the slope, just let me know. I'll help you out. Okay. Any questions about Excel 6?